You are welcome to my house, my mama. Mama, you're welcome.
Nem.
Yes, Mama.
You mean this is your home? And you live here alone?
Of course, Mama. I live here alone.
Jesus Christ. This is paradise on earth.
Say that again.
My daughter Abuja favored you very well. Very, very well. Anthony does not want to come and join you. In fact, he is missing.
Mama, please just forget about him. Forget him. This is what he wants him to forfeit. All in the name of marry him.
Mbodera possible. No.
Mama, let's forget about that matter. I got that. But you have to go inside, freshen up, and then come eat your meal.
You prepared something for me.
It's morning now.
You're prepared. You've really not forgotten the kitchen skills I taught you when you were growing up. I know you will do it.
Number one cook.
No, man, my problem.
Then was your problem.
Hey!
Ha! Oh, let's go.
What do you do, Maroma?
I understand.
Awesome.
I understand.
It's a mother puri melumo, oh meora. It's a mother puri melumo, oh meora. Chai, chai.
Mama, we move.
We move.
You are lucky that Tina is back. If not, Mpiake.
Try him again. I swear, and I promise you, I will tell Madam. Try him now.
Auntie, welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Olukube, hi. How are you?
Madam, I feel like I know they.
Why? I understand that, look. Tomorrow, I'll pay your salary, okay?
Eh? Are you serious? Die! My madam! Hi! You don't take up no comments, but they call you in present. Because anytime when I get problem, you they always say they are present. My madam, sir.
You're just a funny guy.
Thank you, madam. You they try for me. Thank you so much. Sit down. Let's say don't they go down. Friend, organize it. Madam, you too much. You don't let me.
I hope the food is ready.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, can you keep this in my room?
It's alright. When I go to I'll check it when it's done.
Okay, baby. Tina, where did you get this handsome, charming, sweet young guy from?
He used to be my gym instructor.
Oh, gym instructor? Tina, when did your house become a gym center? Or is it rendering a home service?
Remove your eyes. If you enter your eyes, then close it. You see that guy up there? He gives me all the sexual satisfaction that I need. That's why I look this good. So, Biko, remove your eyes. Close it. Go and get your own.
Sorry, I answer. Tina, you know, today is Wednesday. How far we clubbing?
Of course, we're clubbing. You know, I didn't club last week, so tonight I'm definitely clubbing.
Oh my God.
Well, wait till I'm famished. Monica! Who is this girl? Monica!
Tina, baby.
What?
Tina, sexy. Tina, how do you want to tell me more about this your gym instructor?
Yes, sir.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Oh yes, baby, we enjoyed it. It was so nice. Relax. Did you enjoy the food?
That's my boy.
Baby.
Yes, Lord.
Have you received the slip for your NYSC youth camp?
I've not received it yet. I'm still expecting.
Why now? It's taking long.
Yeah.
Good.
Let me get it here.
Auntie, it's me. Everything your neighbor.
How are you?
Fine. Auntie, good day.
Thank you.
Auntie, sorry for disturbing you.
No problem.
It's just that I'll be leaving very early for my lectures tomorrow morning.
Okay.
This letter is meant for you.
For me?
Yes, Auntie. A postman came in this afternoon to deliver this to you. But as I told you, nobody was around. So I have to sign it for you. They promise to deliver it.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Alright, then Auntie. Take care.
My love, please open it. Isn't it process?
Isn't it?
Yeah, but it's for us.
What is it? Baby, this is slip, oh. It's your NYSC slip.
Really?
What? Why did they post you to Abuja? Why now?
I don't know. I'm so surprised.
Did you fill in the form?
Of course I did.
Did you tell them that you are married?
I did.
You are a mother. No. Baby, this is not, it's not going to work now. What is that? I told you now, you should fill in the form. Tell these people that you are married. Do you want to come and add extra expenses on my head? You know, I know what it took me to see you through school and to your graduate. Look at my business has crumbled. And see the car, the only car we have here. There's no maintenance of this car. And you want to come and add additional problem on my head. No. You have to review that document. Let them know that you are married, you are a mother. You cannot go to Abuja. Lagos says it's okay for us.
My love, I filled Lagos. Trust me. You think I'm lying to you? Well, that shouldn't be a big problem. Because the orientation camp will kick off in 4 days. So I have to go there first. Then after 2 weeks, I will reapply for Lagos.
Better. You better do that. Because this is not going to work. Put yourself in my shoes now, baby. Think about me now. Think about everything I've gone through. Huh? Please. Go and work it out. Let them know that you cannot go to Abuja. It's not possible. Delight is here. Who's going to look after him?
That's true. Okay, there's no problem. Once I get there, I will make sure I do everything possible. I have to go and talk to them seriously. They need to change this thing after 2 weeks.
Yes, now, I beg you, please, do that.
I will, my love.
Do that. This is kind of not work.
Okay.
That's okay.
It's okay.
You know, the kind of weather we have these days, we can't just, one can't imagine. Oh no, down on our channel. Well, I was forgotten. No, but this is the reason why I had that. Because so down on our the colonial on a pagata. Some almost I didn't know what this is. Before I was a governor, you know, on our cafe, or maybe you are making on card.
Guys, be careful you don't point at somebody's property.
Well, why will life not be beautiful when you have sweet, beautiful girls?
Oh, yes.
But I noticed something. What? The scenario on the poolside, it's always different at night. What makes you think I always hang out here? This is where I have my peace. Although, why would not be? This is where I hang my soul. I understand, especially when you have beautiful girls, you know.
You know, I'll tell you guys something, Kubana. We hustle a lot and we work so hard. And after all these hustles and works, what do? You come down to this place, just a glass of wine, with beautiful birds like this, you bring their blood pressure.
The worst thing a man can do to himself is work and don't play.
Don't enjoy happiness.
One now was more gajo. I didn't make me feel
I must show the evidence.
My name is Kobana Dollars.
Koba.
When I started making money at the age of 12.
Koba.
My mother didn't believe it.
Koba.
Koba. My mom wait.
Okay, ladies.
Oh, baby. I know. Because, I guess because the guests are my baby. I got an idea. The men are lost. You want some? Hello. Hey, come on. Wow. How else can you ever enjoy your life if you don't have to live? Okay, Paxiego, Tabac. You don't do that. You don't do that. I didn't hear, man. The men are lost. You want some? Hello. Hey, come on. Wow. Baby, you know one thing now? I'm thinking of, I think I'm being stupid though. My money not at that times. You know, money makes somebody stupid.
Stupidly rich.
Ladies, tomorrow you are going to the boat cruise. Yeah, and guess what?
What?
We're spending 2 days. Plus another 2. Fine. We are going on the boat cruise.
Wow.
Are you on comment?
Yes.
Uba,
Yeah.
let me make a suggestion.
Yes.
Once in a while you go on holidays.
Sure.
You just take a trip to Kigali.
Wow. Thank you, Honorable.
No. Why Kigali?
Like, let me tell you guys
Where's
something.
that?
Kigali is in Rwanda and is in Africa. It is one of the best holiday spots in the world.
Oh, no.
That case, you're talking about Africa, right? I suggest Congo.
Do you know what happens? You know what happens? Since we'll have to shop all these days, I think the best thing for us to do is fly down to Dubai.
Dubai.
Wait. When we get to Dubai, we'll do all the shopping for 4 hours, simple 4 hours to hang out somewhere, let's go buying things. If I go to say family fun, they go in 4 hours. They return back to the private jet and then we keep down here.
I love the sound of it.
My brother, we are pushing it. It's not easy.
Are you okay?
Why are you sounding this? What is the matter? My brother, I'm not okay. I am not. Let me just say the truth. Can you imagine? Yesterday we were together. We were having dinner, and then this delivery man came and brought in the slip. She opened the slip, read it to me. And the slip is telling me that my wife has signed some documents that she has been posted for her NYSC in Abuja. Can you imagine?
This woman said.
She's her wife. She's her mother.
Yes. This woman, did she realize that she signed a form stating that she's married?
Oh.
A mother for that matter.
Oh. Exactly my point, too. Exactly my point. And both of us know that it's very workable for her to be transferred to Lagos.
Ha, better. You guys better do that or work it out.
Don't worry, we'll handle it. We have to handle it.
You people better do because
it's not.
But guy, are you sure it's that whole battery?
What is there again now? Apart from this business now, times are hard. Business is not moving. It's not moving. Then my wife wants to come and add additional stress.
I understand your frustration, my brother, and stress. But you have to calm down. You know, it's just the NYSC thing now. It will soon be done. After that, this woman will start to support you. You understand? Now, because if you can push her as far in school, if you push to the end now. By the way, do you have Samsung charger?
What is it? Why are you touching me? Have I not warned you before to stop touching me? I'll be careful, oh. I'm going to fall my plates. Don't stay. Man. Try them again. Have I not warned you not to touch me again? Have I not warned you? Eh? Do you want me to give you this side?
Monica.
Nonsense. Oloshi.
Monica, you slapped me.
I'll slap you again. Since you don't have sense. The one you're eating from mother, is it not okay? You don't respect yourself. Old man won't get sense. I don't know whether when you die you get sense. See me see trouble. Oh now I got pium. Every time you'll be walking like a criminal. Now you got because look where you press. One day you press and press your destiny. See me, this job that I'm managing. This job that is giving me too much peace. I'm able want to remove it from me. Cherry, is it that madam is not enough for this boy? That one that happy bomb here and here. And you want to come and finish this my portable bonbon. Every time you'll be looking for where to press. You're even reducing it. What is it, say? Try this nonsense again if I'm not there, madam. Nonsense. Don't fire you there.